once you get this OkaAir Detoxifier, first thing to do is to turn on the machine. Now when you turn on the machine, you will see that the fan only is working, and now you can see there's many buttons here. Now the first button I want to introduce to you is the Purify button. Now this Purify button to activate the ozone or the active oxygen. So for every volume that you press, it can cover 700 square feet. So if your area is about 3,500 square feet, you can press 1, 3, 4, 5. So, and this is on the maximum level of coverage. Now the second one is we talk about sterilizer. Now sterilizer is to press to activate the titanium and the UVX in the machine. So now these two technology is the main technology to combat the coronavirus. So it has to be turned on at all time. And then we have what we call the anion button. The anion button is basically to activate the plasma ions and the UV antenna ionization in the machine. And you can see in the machine there is an orange light actually lighted, right, once you turn it on. And the fan speed you can adjust, alright, up to 5 level for faster coverage. So normally I like to put it at the middle. Okay. Now another special feature about this OkaAir Detoxifier, it has a timer, a preset timer for the active oxygen. For example, you want the active oxygen to be turned on for 1 hour and then switch it off, but the entire machine is still running. So what you can do is you can press a preset button for the timing here. You can see P0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 preset function. The 8 and 9 is something for you to set your own timing, right? So I just do one demonstration. Let's say P1 and I press the auto run. Can you see the active oxygen or the ozone timer will turn on for 30 minutes. So it's all the preset for you, ranges from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, 1 hour to 2 hours. Now then we come also another technology here that we introduced, especially some people want to put it next to their bedroom, or you know they can't even hear a slight little noise. So we have actually inbuilt what we call a sleep button. Now the sleep button is on the bottom right. Now you just press the sleep button, can you see it silence the machine by 50%. Another setting to share with you is basically this clock timer. Now for the clock timer, when you press one time, can you see the timer off over here? That means when the machine is turned on, you want to set when to off it. So the Purify will be 1, 2 o'clock. The Purify will adjust the hour, and the Sterilize adjust the minute up and down. Okay, let's say I set it at 2:01 AM. Okay, just leave it there. After a few seconds, you can see there is a timer clock stated here, alright, on the screen. So now the current time is 8 AM. To set the current clock for your machine, just press the clock 2 times. Okay, and you can see now it's 8:03 AM. The alarm I set it at 2:01. So in order to adjust, so the timer, just press the Purifier button here. Okay, this is to control the hour, and this side here is to control the minute. So let's say I put it at 2 o'clock AM. Okay, I just press the clock. So I have already set the current time is 2 o'clock AM. So when it reaches 2:01, you will basically switch off the entire machine. So for officers, let's say I come to work at 7 o'clock in the morning, you want to turn it on, and by 5 PM you want to switch it off. So you can actually preset a timer and the machine will intelligently switch off itself.